and thank you for watching this first video in a series regarding our upcoming general obligation bond referendum. Over the next several weeks, I will share a series of short informational videos with details about the upcoming referendum vote. In this first installment, I will introduce what's on the November 7 ballot. I'll define a general obligation bond and share a timeline of moving forward and into a new middle school. And I'll end with details of how you can learn more. Thank you for being a part of building the future of Woodward Granger schools. On September 18th, the Woodward Granger Board of Directors received a petition requesting that the board call a special election for funding the construction of a new middle school and renovating existing instructional spaces at our secondary campus in Woodward. The ballot for the city school election on Tuesday, November 7th will include this question for voters living in the Woodward Granger Community School District boundary. A general obligation bond is a common method Iowa public schools use to borrow money for large construction projects. A supermajority of greater than 60% of voters must support the proposed bond issuance for the district to move forward. Iowa Code defines the formula for determining a school district's bonding capacity. When approved, the board and administration would work with a financial advisor and legal counsel to determine the timeline for issuing bonds and completing this process. A common question I receive about the referendum is, when could we start using a new school? We would begin the design and development of the new middle school shortly after a successful election in November. I expect this would begin after the first of the new year. Design and development will continue through the spring in order to be prepared to accept bids in the fall of 2024. School construction projects of this magnitude generally take 18 to 20 months. I expect we would have the summer of 2026 to move in and prepare the building to receive students on the first day of school in August of 2026. As I mentioned, this is the first in a series of short videos intended to share information about this project and the election. Future videos will give details on our enrollment trends, our current and future tax rate, and absentee voting and voting locations. We are also planning to hold 2 community informational sessions. The first will be on Tuesday, October 17th in Woodward. We will meet in the middle school, high school auditorium at 7 o'clock p.m. There'll be a presentation and an opportunity to ask questions. The second session will be on Thursday, October 19th in Granger. That evening we will meet in the elementary commons, beginning at 7 again, with a similar format. Thank you for watching, and thank you for helping to build the future of Woodward Granger schools.